Becki-licious here, and I am going to make a yummy warm lunch today. We are going to do the Perfect Pattymelt. Doesn't that sound amazing? So I'm ready. I don't know about you. So let's go ahead and get started. But hey, don't forget, if you don't mind, like and subscribe, share with your friends, and definitely don't forget to click on that link tree. So, all right, let's go check this out. So I've already got the hamburger patties are already grilling up in my pan, and I'm just about ready to get these puppies flipped, okay? Yeah. These are going to be absolutely amazing because there is a difference when it comes to the patty melt. The Perfect Pattymelt, you have to have it on rye bread. It usually comes with like a white cheese, like a Swiss cheese. I like to do mine up, obviously, and use pepper jack. Some people put their patty melts on sourdough bread, and I'm sorry, that's not a patty melt. A patty melt has to be on rye bread. That's 100%. It's got to be done that way. And this is the way that we've been doing these for years, and like I said, they are perfect, absolutely perfect. So, all right, so our burgers are all ready. I threw some onions on my grill here, and they look like they're all ready. And I've already got my bread is all buttered up and ready to go on here. So we're gonna do this 1 and 2. Let's get them cheesed up. We've got one of those and a half of a one, because you have to have proper cheese coverage. That is very, very, very important on a good pepper or a good patty melt. So let's layer up some onions. Oh gosh, doesn't that look so good? Grilled onions are my absolute fave. I gotta tell you. All right, let's add our patty over here. Get this on here. Look at that, good stuff. We're gonna layer the rest of these onions on the top. Look at all this pepper jack cheese, see? Proper cheese coverage, that's important. Don't let anybody tell you differently. If they do, remove yourself from that situation. You don't need that kind of negativity. All right, so we are going to very gently, we'll see how gently that goes. Flip this over. Oh, yum. All right, look at that. Doesn't that look good? All right, patty melt off of the grill. Cut the puppy in half. She's all plated up and all ready to go. I'm gonna add us some kettle chips on the side just to, you know. And I found this black pepper ketchup because I always dip my patty melt in ketchup. I'm a ketchup girl. I really am. So let's get some of that in here. Hopefully, maybe, there we go. Yummy, yummy. Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look like an appetizing lunch. Nice warm lunch, yum. All right, there you go. I just taught you how to make the perfect patty melt. So thanks for joining me. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.